Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up a 5th from my half case of Star Wars Black and White Return of the Jedi. It's actually the 8th box overall. There's the odds, if you're interested in seeing those. I love this set. My favorite all-time Star... I don't want to talk about my favorite movies, so I'm going to do a series about it. This is way up there, trust me, on my all-time favorite Star Wars movies. Oh, excuse me. I'll give you a hint. This one and this one are way up on the list. Alright, so we'll set that there. Let's go ahead and open them. So we got Han Solo. We got Luke, Royal Guard. Oh, we got something, that might be some special insert there. I mean, a parallel. Got Luke. Yeah. Akbar, 1 out of 10. Red parallel. Very nice. The Admiral. Alright, so we got behind the scenes, and then Vader and Han Solo. Alright, next pack. We've got Luke being captured. We've got Bib Fortuna. That's a cool shot there in front of Jabba with the patrons there, and C-3PO and R2. We've got Vader, we've got Sepia, we've got R2, iconic character, I do have that one, and the Sarlacc pit, and the Rancor pit. You have to watch some of the other videos. I called this the Rancor pit, and I was like, I couldn't believe I did that, but I don't know what I was thinking. Alright, so we got Yoda, we got Luke and Vader, and we got C-3PO and Han. We got Vader. We got Han, blue parallel. We got concept art. It looks like the droid. Looks like a droid there. Jabba's droid room. Norman Reynolds did that. We got Han in carbonite and Chewie. We got Mama Ewok with her baby, and that key. Okay, so we got Vader, we got Luke with non-Jedi spirit Obi-Wan. Got Leia, got Vader. That's a cool sepia card. Behind the scenes, we got the Jabba's palace door there, and we got Jabba. We've got Luke and, not Luke, Leia and Han. We've got Stormtroopers. We've got the Emperor. We've got more Emperor, 75 out of 99 green parallel. We've got a Japanese, oh, it's this way, Japanese Star Wars poster. That's sweet. And we got some indoor cards there. And we're going to sleeve this Emperor card. Nice green parallel out of 99. Ian McDiarmid, so great as the Emperor. We've got Luke versus Vader. We've got Jabba's palace. There's Boba Fett. We've got Chewie being led in by Leia in bush disguise. We've got Gamorrean Guard. We've got Sepia, Vader, and Luke. Iconic character, the Royal Guard. Got Han and Leia. And we've got Ewoks. Alright, we have a hit in here. So we've got Luke, we've got Vader, we've got Luke and Chewie. We got an auto. We've got a blue Emperor. We've got behind the scenes with Han Solo. We've got Akbar, and we've got Vader. So let's hope that we got another auto that we didn't have from this set, because we've been on a good roll. No doubles yet. Now, this is a base auto of somebody. Ooh. Boba Fett. Oh, Dickie Beer as Boba Fett. That's pretty cool. I only have one other auto of Dickie Beer. I think he was like a stunt double. Even says there's stunt double for Boba Fett, and it is from Archives. So this is pretty sweet. Dickie Beer stunt double for Boba Fett. So not an auto you see all the time. Very cool. And we got a red Mon Calamari Admiral Akbar, 1 out of 10. That's a pretty cool card. And the Emperor, green. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.